this is my first time using the Elite Platinum air fryer, and I decided to do French fries and fried shrimp. So this is where I'm setting the temperature to 390 degrees Fahrenheit, and I set the time for 15 minutes. If you check on top of the air fryer, it'll give you the time that you would set each type of food for. So for French fries and seafood, the temperature was 390 degrees for both, so I just kind of set it in the middle for 15 minutes. So right here, you'll see me to start to add the French fries in here. I decided to use the Idaho frozen French fries. I really love these because they're always extra crispy when I fry them or if I put them in the oven. So I just thought these would work best. And then after this, I placed in my shrimp. I already deveined and washed my shrimp really well. After that, I decided to season it with my favorite seasoning. So you can choose whatever seasoning that you like. After seasoning it, I decided to bread it with the Zatarain's seafood breading, and I used the one with lemon pepper, and I just tried to shake off as much excess breading as I could so that it wouldn't be like too bready and crumbly. Decided to kind of keep checking it, maybe like every 5 minutes. Since this is my first time, as you can see, the French fries are cooking and they are starting to look like they, are frying a bit. The shrimp, they started cooking a little bit. So what I did was, in this clip, you'll see me turning them over, and then I also decided to spray some cooking spray on it to try to get it cooking a little bit more so it wouldn't be so crumbly and dry, to try to cover the whole shrimp to kind of wet it so it can start frying. Right here, you'll see me just kind of checking the shrimp and the French fries again. You can see the French fries are cooking a little bit better than the shrimp. The shrimp did do a little bit better after I sprayed them. So I just decided to put it back in there and wait till it was finished. You'll see me checking again. I caught myself trying to show you all a fry, and it ended up slipping out of the tongs and fell on the floor. So I was going to taste it, but that didn't work out how I planned. So I just, continue to let it cook. french fries and the shrimp, and I've just laid it on the plate. I added a little bit of salt to my french fries. I love salt. I know it's not good for you, but I did add kosher salt, if that makes it sound any better. And then also dashed it with a little bit of parsley. At the end, I did end up putting the shrimp back in there for another 5 minutes just to cook a little bit longer. And after I did that, they did taste a lot better. So I think I will try using this again. Thank you all for joining me and watching me use my Elite air fryer for the first time. And I hope that you all will join me for my other videos. Make sure you share, like, and subscribe.